Sewing lookbook, split sleeve top, pants and bag. That's coming up. Hello Fashion Sewer, I'm Colleen and welcome to FSB TV. Now I'm going to be showing you one of my latest makes, and it's one of my favourite out of my latest makes that I've made. And I'm super excited to show you one particular part of my make. So let's get straight into it. So I've made this cute top. It's quite a short top as well. And those are the split sleeve. It's so cute. It's asymmetrical. I love asymmetrical garments. Yeah, I'm quite known for my asymmetrical garments, and you've probably seen from my other, perhaps from my other sewing projects, but it's one of my favourite things to wear asymmetrical. I just love the way it looks on my body and also on other people's body. So it's quite a boxy shaped top, and it is gorgeous on. And I've also made these pants, so it's kind of like a suit, these pants to go with it. And they're just a straight leg pants. But it does come with a tie belt. It's got two tie belts. And it's got hip pockets as well. So these are the belts. So I've got one that comes in the actual fabric as well, which is super long. It's super, super long because I tie it around my body, my waistline twice. And I've got a shorter one in a contrasting fabric that I just tie in a bow at the front. So that isn't as long, but I just tie it in a bow, so it's quite sufficient to make sure I get a decent bow. So what happens is that I can wear the pants on its own with a polo neck sweater that comes up to my neck here, and looks super cute that way as well. So I've got an opportunity to swap around the look that I want to achieve with this outfit. So because I love the colour scheme, at some point I know I will be wearing the top with some different pants. So I get a lot of wear out of it. I will get a lot of wear out of it. I haven't worn this as yet, but I'm quite looking forward to wearing this. So that will be a day for, yes, showing off my makes. Now the most exciting part of this outfit is this cute bag. Yes, I also made the bag to go with it. Now this goes back to the fact that I'm trying to use up all the fabrics, scraps that I have when I sew my makes. And it's important that, because I buy fabric, I love to buy fabric, and I usually buy between 3 to 5 and 8 to 10 meters. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to make out of it, so there's always leftover fabric and large scraps of leftover fabric. And over the years, I have made things out there, scrap parts, because I do like to make bags, but I don't make them that often. Because it can be quite time consuming. This is time consuming. It's a prototype really, because I would make this again, and I just love the challenge of designing and sitting there and working through problems and issues that I set myself when I came to make this bag. So it's cute and gorgeous, and I do have other bags that I have made over the years, which I'm sure at some point I'll share with you. But that looks great and amazing with the outfit. And I've also done a little section for you of me modelling this, so you see a couple of looks of me changing from wearing the pants with the turtleneck and obviously the pants with the top and the bag. So hope you enjoy, and that's coming up. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I enjoyed modelling and showing you the different looks that I can achieve in my outfits, and making sure that when you are sewing your garments, you know, your makes that you are wearing quite often. That's kind of really important in the fashion industry. So with that said, I hope you did enjoy the segment, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and also please share. If you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing, and if you have any comments or remarks to make, put them in a comment box below, and I will see you next time.